Good day everyone. Before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. First, I am Juan Acros. I am a student from La Mesa National High School, currently living in Barangay Matunog. I am turning 19 this year. I like myself being busy doing some hobby like cooking. I am good at communicating with others. I'm an introvert. I find comfort in a quiet moments in the company of my thoughts. I recharge by being alone, by losing myself, and I'm good book or a challenging project. I'm happiest when I'm creating, learning, exploring ideas. But that is doesn't mean I'm shy. I have close friends, people I trust and connect with deeply, and sometimes when the moment's right, I can surprise even myself. I can find a voice, a confident I did know I faced. I fast learner. I'm curious, always eager to try new things to push my boundaries. If I see something I want to understand it to matter it, I thrive on challenges on the trail of discovery. Also a type of person who is willing to be open with new things and adding more lessons that I have learned as a student to hands-on experience. I believe in the power of creation, in the beauty of simple things, in the quiet strength of introspection. I find joy in the process, in the journey of learning and growth. I'm adaptable, comfortable in different environments. I can be quiet and reflective or energetic and engaged depending on the situation. I'm always learning, always evolving.